Hi, my name is Jiyao Wang. I'm going to talk about iScene3D from web-based 3D viewer to structural analysis tool in batch mode, plus recent VR and AR features. I'm going to start from the front end and back ends of iScene3D. So the front end, you can use iScene3D in web page or use Jupyter Notebook, or you can also use Python script or Node.js script to do batch analysis of structures. You can launch iScene3D from here. Next, I'm going to talk about Python script based on iScene3D share link URL. First, for example, you can generate iScene3D URL. In this case, it shows the mutation analysis. And once you have the mutant and wild type interactions, you can click the Save button to save the HTML, and the whole process is saved in this URL. And second step, you can replace URL in the example Python script located here, and then once you run this Python script, this page will be saved. So you can do this programmatically for different structures. Next, I'm going to talk about Node.js script. First, you can download iScene3D npm package from this location and install 3.js, jQuery, and iScene3D. Then follow the example Node.js script in this location. Then run the Node.js script using Node. For example, this one is the ligand protein interaction, ligand.js, then the PDB ID, then the ligand name. Then it will output the interacting residues with the ligand. In the Node.js scripts, it calls iScene3D functions. For example, in ligand.js, it calls a function called pick custom sphere in the class called show interaction. So basically, Node.js script can access everything in iScene3D. So it should be very powerful. We also show the depth potential in these three panels. Panel A shows the pH domain with positive, which is color in blue, and negative color in red residues. And the center is IP3. And panel B shows the surface potential with, if the potential is greater than 50 millivolt, then it's colored in blue. If it's less than minus 50 millivolt, then it's showing red. And if it's between then it's a color range, color gradient. And panel C shows the equipotential map. So 50 millivolt is showing blue, and minus 50 millivolt is showing red. Recently, we added annotations for AlphaFold structures. The annotations including SNP, CleanVar, domains, etc. So you can choose which annotation to show, and they will show as tracks. And right now it's a summary display. If you click details, then all the residue will show up. Now I'm going to talk about align AlphaFold and PDB structures. In the iScene3D menu, File, Align, Multiple Chains, you can align AlphaFold unique probe IDs, these two, with the A chain of PDB ID 1HHO in 3 different ways. First, you can align them based on structure. So these are 3 aligned structures. These are the multiple sequence alignment. And this is the URL to show this view. And you can also show the alignment based on sequence. So you can align all the rest chains to the first chain in the residue 1 to 20. And it shows up like this. So you can, especially for alpha structures, sometimes you need to align based on sequence. You can also align based on predefined mapping. So for these three chains, this is residue defined, and this is the residue in the first chain, and these are the residue 1, 5, 10, 50 in the second chain. And for second alignment, the master chain is residue 2, 6, 11 to 51. And in chain 1 HHO, it's 1, 5, 10 to 50. So here shows the multiple sequence alignment. Here shows the 3D alignment. Next, I'm going to show you briefly about our recent feature about VR and AR in iCn3D. There's a video, you can check it out. And for the virtual reality view, you need to have a VR headset. And in the VR browser, you load the 3D structures in iCn3D. Then click the button Enter VR. You will see something like this. You can use the right trigger to move forward and use the left trigger to move backward, so you can navigate in the molecule world. For augmented reality, you need to use the Android phone, and in Chrome browser, load a 3D structure in iCn3D. Then click Start AR. Then your molecule will show up in your surrounding. You can tap once on the screen to locate a minimized 3D structure in your tapped location, or you can tap twice quickly to scale up the 3D structure. Thank you for your attention.